morning, my friends and family. We're here camping out. Grizzly Creek, Redwoods State Park in California. And we're here with the family, spending a few days all together and enjoying this beautiful place. Alrighty, this is a beautiful place to be at. Look at that.
Welcome everybody to Camp Harvest, the first annual camping event with the people from Harvest Appraisal, a 26-year business that's been around since the year 2000. We're having a great time with family and friends and employees of Harvest. I hope everybody enjoys himself. Welcome everybody to Grizzly Creek. We're walking down to the river right now to enjoy the view, look at the Redwoods, and just enjoy life. You know, every day is a good day when you're out here in the wilderness. I hope everybody's having a great day, and look forward to seeing you sometime up here with us. Have a great day.
Okay, Bill, we want to thank you, Bill, for inviting us as a family, and we're here at Grizzly Creek, and we're here camping out with the family. So, Bill, for that, we thank you, and let's enjoy this, because every day
is a Saturday.
You got that right. Bill, this is amazing.
Yeah, look at this.
And where are all the campers, man? Everyone's sleeping. Bill, you look like you own this place, man. Look at you.
Look at me.
Ha! All right, so this is where we're gonna be spending a few days with the family. This is our swimming spot. Look at the size there. The trees. The scenery up and down. There's a canoe. Bill, stay together. There's sharks there, man.
Shark.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everybody. Glad everybody could make it here to Camp Harvest in 2026. This is the first of many annual camping trips with my staff. I'm glad you could make it. Today we're going to learn a little bit about what we're doing moving forward with our new design software, from handling ROAs, right of appraisals, or total loss settlements. With this new software, we'll be able to generate reports in a faster time, getting actual APIs directly from dealerships into our software. It will actually show sold and active listings. With this information, we'll be able to put together a comprehensive report on current market value of your vehicles. This is moving forward with technology and the ability to pull the APIs. I'm looking forward to servicing you, my new clients, and my staff, and creating a software and a company that stands alone ahead of anybody else in our industry. We've been in business now for 26 years, and we're still growing strong after these past 26 years. I'm looking forward to the future and the young leadership that I have coming up the ranks to take over the business when I'm no longer the CEO and president of Harvest Appraisal. I want to thank everybody for coming. We'll be having another seminar here in about 2 hours. Once that starts, I'll inform everybody and we'll start again. Now everybody enjoy themselves, enjoy the camping, let's eat some hot dogs and hamburgers and have a great time. Thank you very much.